Greetings, welcome back to my channel, Israel Designs. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to the video. That's right, you seen the title. Harbor Freight, the best place to start your woodworking business. Let me explain why do I say that. That's coming from my own personal experience, alright? So a few years ago, I was building stuff by hand. I came across this guy at my job named Kyle Doolin. I was talking to him about power tools, alright? Now back then, I didn't know about Harbor Freight. Always seen the main brands like Milwaukee, DeWalt, you know, the big guys and stuff, Hitachi, Makita. So when he told me about this, I went home and did my research for about a month. Now a lot of stuff had bad reviews, but I went ahead and pulled the trigger. Anyway, my first purchase was the 10-inch compound sliding miter saw, and then I got a drill. And that's how I started my business. Now I no longer have either, but I still mess with Harbor Freight. Since then, I upgraded to the Hercules. Let me zoom in for you guys. So yes, I got me the Hercules miter saw Harbor Freight. Never had any issues with it. Use him about 5 days a week, all right? Now, here we are on my drill press. I use this about 3 days a week. When I use it, it'd be hours on end. I never had any issues. I actually plan on upgrading to the floor model one day, the beefier one for like $5.99. I just haven't pulled the trigger for it yet. Then I also used the dust collection system. Had this for about, I want to say almost 2 years. Never any issue. So Harbor Freight, for me, has been a blessing. I also get my clamps from Harbor Freight. 1 second, let me show you. All right. These clamps from Harbor Freight, they're pretty cheap, but they last a long time. I got these from the start. I don't know the difference between these and the other brands, but these things are amazing. I give these a 5-star. Sometimes these do get loose, just one turn, tighten it back up, all right? So this is why I think Harbor Freight is the best place to start your woodworking business. And you can start with a drill and a circular saw and what, $1, I think it's maybe $1.99 measuring tape. Let me show you real quick. Let me pull out my phone. Let's do some calculations. If you had $100 to start a woodworking business, right? Wait, before we get there, yes, you could go to Marketplace at Facebook, get you a cheap DeWalt or a Milwaukee brand, but guess what? There's no warranty. You can't take it back to the person. You buy as is. But with Harbor Freight, there's many locations now. So if something goes wrong, you got warranty, you can take it back, they exchange it, no questions asked. That's what I heard. Let's go to Harbor Freight real quick. All right, I typed in circular saws, all right? So this one, $59.99. Can you see that? All right. Cheapest one is, there you go, $29.99 one right there. All right. So alright, so circular saw, $29.99. Let's see how much is for a drill. Alright, we got a Warrior and a Drill Master. The Drill Master is $19.99 and the Warrior is $29.99. Oh, we got the corded for $14.99 Drill Master right here. Now, let's see, measuring tape. $10-foot, what's that, carabiner tape, 99 cents. The Pittsburgh 16-foot measuring tape, $2.39. You get the Pittsburgh for $3.99, all right? Now I'm just showing you how cheap it is to start a woodworking business at Harbor Freight. Now you could pound these tools hard for at least 2 months, or maybe a year, 2 years. I got a different drill. I got a Bauer when I started. I didn't get the one that cheap, but I had a Bauer. But the tools will pay for themselves after 2 or 3 projects. Maybe after the first project. Build some 2x4 benches, put it on Facebook, sold. After that, you upgrade to some better quality tools. If it was up to me, I would still stick with Harbor Freight. That is my opinion. Now, I do have tools from Craig. I even have another miter saw over here that's Hitachi you see in my last video. I also got a portable bandsaw. Matter of fact, I need to do a review on that bandsaw later because I had that for a long time now. But I still prefer my Hercules over the Hitachi. I can't explain why, just this Hercules Mine is so when I grab it, just feel manly. That's probably why they call it the Hercules. So, if you're looking to start a woodworking business, you need a good warranty. You only have $100 to your name. Go to Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight is amazing. They'll work with you when it comes to returns if it breaks down. With that, you have a good day. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.